So welcome everyone in this vocabulary session. We call it Power Vocabulary Session. Vocabulary is very important. See, I always tell one thing that first of all, you need to be fluent. Second, you need to be correct in your English sentences. When you see that you are making correct sentences, you are speaking fluently, then your next target should be that I should have some better vocab. I should have some better words which I can use and influence people. तो हमारा पहला टारगेट हमेशा रहना चाहिए कि हमको इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोलना है, करेक्टली बोलना है. पहले ही हमको वोकैबुलरी नहीं करना है. बट जब आप देखो कि एटलीस्ट यू कैन मैनेज टू स्पीक फ्लुएंटली, करेक्टली, देन आपका नेक्स्ट एम होना चाहिए दैट आई वांट टू speak some organized words, some different words. जब मैं उसको यूज करूं तो लोगों को लगे दैट यस आई नो इंग्लिश. बिकॉज कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स है जो इतने सिंपल है, जब आप यूज करते हो तो लोगों को उतना दिमाग में नहीं आता है. बट सपोज व्हेन यू यूज सर्टेन वर्ड्स, अचानक से किसी इंसान के दिमाग में आ सकता है कि व्हाट डिड यू से, और तभी समझ जाओ कि आपने कुछ ऐसा बोला है जो नॉर्मल नहीं है. सो लाइक दैट हमारे वोकैबुलरी क्लास में भी आवर फोकस गोज ऑन सम न्यू वर्ड्स विच आर पॉपुलरली यूज. ऐसा नहीं है कि यूज नहीं होता, बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है, लेकिन शायद हम यूज नहीं करते. सो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट. सो वेलकम टू एवरीवन. So today we are going to learn some words used in professional life. In our professional life, we use certain words. We should use certain words, but we may or may not use it. इसको हम लोग use कर सकते हैं हमारे professional life में. So guys, today we are going to learn 5 such words. 5 such words which are very professional in nature. Being professional when you are at your workplace is very much important. Be professional when you are at your workplace. हम लोग कैसे professional हो सकते हैं? How can we be professional? Our dressing sense, that is also very important, how we dress. And with the same way, how we speak, what we speak. हम जो बोलते हैं, that also talks about how much professional we are. Okay, so before we go ahead, we'll have a fast quiz. एक quiz होगा. Quiz में आपको कुछ fill in the blanks मिलेंगे. You have to fill the blanks and then we can go ahead. Okay. So guys, these are the words we are going to learn today. You can see on your screen: anomaly, fiasco, cacophony, galvanize, impeccable, impeccable, anomaly, fiasco, cacophony, galvanize, and impeccable. Now these are the blanks. Now you have to just read and try to understand which word will go into which place. Okay, the first word of the day is anomaly. Anomaly is a wonderful word. Anomaly. Wow, what a word. बोल के भी मजा आएगा लोगों को, you know. Anomaly. Anomaly. Anomaly, the meaning is abnormality, often a red flag that there may be a great issue. Anomaly is an abnormality. जहां पे कभी भी कोई abnormality हो, abnormal, कुछ भी चीज जो abnormal हो, that is called anomaly. Okay? और ज्यादातर कभी कभी इसको खतरे की घंटी भी बोल सकते हैं आप. Abnormality, कुछ भी जो abnormal हो, वो एक रेड फ्लैग हो सकता है, मतलब there could be an alert, there could be a danger. So anomaly is not danger, but it is an abnormality. एक abnormality है which is not normal. Okay, so how can we use this word? चलिए देखते हैं. There is an anomaly in your kidney report, but you are physically healthy. Please understand how this anomaly has been mentioned in the sentence. There is an anomaly. There is an anomaly in your kidney report, but you are physically healthy. आप physically healthy हो, लेकिन आपके किडनी के रिपोर्ट में कुछ abnormal आया है. This is called anomaly. So wherever there could be an anomaly, there is an abnormality. Okay, I'll give you one more sentence. It was quite an anomaly when the temperature reached 5 degrees in February in Kolkata. It was quite an anomaly when the temperature reached 5 degrees in February in Kolkata. कोलकाता में फरवरी में 5 डिग्री टेम्परेचर, इट इज एन abnormal. So how this has been used, अच्छे से देखिए. Anomaly is a noun. Anomaly एक noun है, ठीक है. उसको कैसे यूज किया गया है वो देखिए. It was quite an anomaly when the temperature reached 5 degrees in February in Kolkata. It is an abnormality. जब कुछ भी abnormal हो. Okay, I'm going to give you one more sentence. None of the astronauts were able to explain the anomaly they observed in space. None of the astronauts were able to explain the anomaly they observed in space. So there are some astronauts, space में बहुत सारे problems, abnormality होते हैं, लेकिन कोई भी बता नहीं पा रहा है. None of the astronauts were able to explain कि भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या abnormality हो रहा है स्पेस में. Try to understand these sentences, and I want everyone should write one sentence each. एक sentence बनाइए. I'm giving you time. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You try to make a sentence and write down in the text box. Okay, so now we'll go for the next word, and next word is called cacophony. Cacophony. Cacophony का meaning होता है harsh and dissonant sound. Harsh and dissonant sound. मतलब एक ऐसा sound जो कान में चुभता है. It pinches your ears. A very, sometimes sound comes and you cannot tolerate that sound. So that is called cacophony, and this is noun. Again, this is a noun. Cacophony, harsh or dissonant sound. Cacophony, word देखते हैं हम लोग. Sentence. Cacophony. The cacophony in the crowded classroom drowned out the principal's announcement. The cacophony in the crowded classroom, एक crowded classroom में बहुत जोर से आवाज हो रही है, जिसके चलते प्रिंसिपल का जो अनाउंसमेंट है वो कहीं दब जाता है. Drowned out the principal's announcement. The cacophony in the crowded classroom drowned out the principal's announcement. किसी को principal's का announcement सुनने ही नहीं मिला. The cacophony in the crowded classroom drowned out the principal's announcement. When the actor walked into the theater, there was a cacophony of screams from the reporters. जब एक्टर थिएटर में घुसा, there was a scream, आवाज, cacophony. You know, cacophony माने एक कान में चुभने वाला आवाज. From the reporters. Reporters लोग आवाज करने लगे, scream करने लगे. When the actor walked into the theater, there was a cacophony of screams from the reporter. Because Mrs. Thompson left her classroom unattended, she is the one responsible for the cacophony coming from down the hall. Because Mr. Thompson left her classroom unattended, इसका मतलब है थॉमसन शायद कोई टीचर का नाम है, वो उस क्लासरूम में नहीं गए हैं, जिसके वजह से क्लासरूम में बहुत बवाल मचा हुआ है. इसका मतलब यही होता है. Because Mrs. Thompson left her classroom unattended, she is the one responsible for the cacophony coming from the down hall. So cacophony is the noun. Okay. If you want to try, you can try writing this word. So the next word is fiasco. It's a wonderful word, fiasco. The fiasco, the meaning of fiasco is total failure, a complicated situation that ends in failure. So it is called total failure. The meaning is total disaster, total failure, fiasco. A total failure. एक ऐसा situation जहां पे आप you feel like that it is a big failure to me. Fiasco. It is called fiasco. A failure, a big failure. So a fiasco means a total failure, a complicated situation that ends in failure. Okay, we'll see the sentence. Fiasco. Because there was no food or music at the party, everyone said the event was a fiasco. The event was a failure. Easy sentence, a बहुत easy sentence. Because there was no food or music at the party, everyone said the event was a fiasco. The event was a failure. So यहाँ पे हम failure के जगह fiasco लिख सकते हैं. Everyone said the event was a fiasco. It's a wonderful word. Okay, I'll give you the one more sentence. The president must accept some blame for his economic fiasco. The president must accept some blame for this economic fiasco. Okay, let's see some more sentences from your end. If you can tell me, I can go through it. There's one more sentence you can see. Because of my plumbing fiasco, please listen, because of my plumbing fiasco, we will be without water for at least 2 days. मतलब प्लम्बिंग के काम में कुछ फेलियर हो गया है. बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लम्बिंग फियास्को वी विल बी विदाउट वाटर फॉर एट लीस्ट 2 days. So plumbing fiasco. Surinder ji, she learns to drive, but it was total fiasco, or it was fiasco. She fiasco nahi, it was fiasco. Okay, we'll go to the next sentence. Galvanize. ये बहुत अच्छा word है. Galvanize. 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 The meaning of galvanize is to propel a person or people into activity or inspiration. To propel a person or people into activity. गैल्वनाइज का मतलब होता है लोगों को इंस्पायर करना ताकि वो लोग कुछ काम करे. यू आर इंस्पायरिंग सम पर्सन टू डू समथिंग. यू आर प्रोपेल करना. प्रोपेल का मतलब भी वही है, तो वो भी लिख लीजिएगा. टू प्रोपेल, प्रोपेल का मतलब है टू मोटिवेट पीपल टू डू समथिंग. पूरा सेंटेंस का सेम ही मीनिंग है. गैल्वनाइज, द मीनिंग इज टू मोटिवेट पीपल टू डू समथिंग, ताकि वो लोग कुछ करे. दैट इज कॉल्ड गैल्वनाइज. किसी को इंस्पायर करना ताकि वो कुछ करे. Galvanize or to make people do something in their life. To propel. To propel a person or people into activity or inspiration. Let's see some sentence. Sentence देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा. His efforts to galvanize the deal were very effective. His effort to galvanize the deal were very effective. उस डील को एक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने में उनका बहुत मतलब उनका एफर्ट बहुत काम आया, वही बोला जा रहा है. हिज एफर्ट टू गैल्वनाइज द डील, उस डील को काम में लाने के लिए. हिज एफर्ट टू गैल्वनाइज द डील वर वेरी इफेक्टिव. So I would not doubt that yesterday's speech will galvanize conservative voters. So I would not doubt that yesterday's speech will galvanize conservative voters. So जो लोग कंजर्वेटिव वोटर्स थे शायद उनसे हमें वोट नहीं मिलता, लेकिन जो मेरी यस्टरडे की स्पीच थी, मुझे कोई उसमें डाउट नहीं है, वो दूसरे कंजर्वेटिव वोटर्स को मोटिवेट करेंगे मुझे वोट देने के लिए. ये पूरा सिचुएशन का मतलब ये है. So I would not doubt that yesterday's speech will galvanize conservative voters. Okay, one more sentence. Do you think the film will galvanize enough interest to get the audience into the theater? Do you think the film will galvanize enough interest to get the audience into the theater? आपको लगता है कि ये जो मूवी है ये it will galvanize the enough interest, लोगों के अंदर एक इंटरेस्ट पैदा कर सकती है. सो गैल्वनाइज मतलब होता है कि एक एक्शन क्रिएट करना किसी के दिमाग में. ओके, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सम मोर सेंटेंस फ्रॉम यू. गैल्वनाइज, यस. नाउ विल गो फॉर द लास्ट वर्ड and that is called impeccable. It's a wonderful word, impeccable. Impeccable का मतलब होता है flawless, जिसमें कोई भी बोलते हैं ना, कोई भी दाग ना हो, एकदम बहुत सीरीन, बहुत साफ, बहुत अच्छा. Flawless, free from impeccable of fault or blame. Incapable of fault or blame. कोई उस पे blame लगा ही नहीं सकता, कोई उसको गलत बोल ही नहीं सकता जो impeccable होता है. Impeccable, impeccable मतलब एक ऐसी चीज जिस पे कोई भी उंगली नहीं उठा सकता. Flawless, एकदम flawless, कोई नहीं बोल सकता वो खराब है. This is impeccable. देखते हैं सेंटेंस. Her written English is impeccable. His written English is impeccable. कोई उंगली नहीं उठा सकता उसके इंग्लिश, रिटन इंग्लिश के ऊपर. क्या लिखती है वो. She is impeccable. बहुत अच्छी है वो. एडजेक्टिव है, impeccable is an adjective. Impeccable. Her written English is impeccable. She had impeccable taste in clothes. देखिए यहाँ पे कैसे लिखा गया है. She had impeccable taste in clothes. बोलने का मतलब है कि वो उसका जो कपड़े पहनने का जो एक उसका टेस्ट है, जो कपड़े वो पहनती है, इट्स इम्पेकेबल. कोई उंगली नहीं उठा सकता उसको उस पे. She had impeccable taste in clothes. Next, he was dressed in suit and impeccable white shirt. Yes. He was dressed in suit and an impeccable white shirt. And a white shirt इतना साफ, clear, मतलब impeccable white shirt. So guys, now I'm waiting for your impeccable sentences. Please write fast. So guys, this is all about impeccable. Now we'll simply go to our fill in the blanks. So please look at the fill in the blanks. He decided to talk loudly and dash the team into action. Galvanize the team into action. Galvanize the team into action. She has taught her children impeccable manners. Impeccable manners. John has hated boating ever since the fiasco that left him stranded in the middle of the ocean for a week. जॉन शायद कभी गया था बोटिंग करने, कुछ ऐसा फेलियर हो गया था या तो कुछ हुआ था फेलियर, जिससे उसे ओशन में मतलब समुंदर में एक हफ्ते तक रुकना पड़ा था. John has hated boating ever since the fiasco that left him stranded in the middle of the ocean for a week. बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस है ये. The dash caused by the explosion, the cacophony caused by the explosion. बिमला जी लिखिए, my life is impeccable. My life is impeccable. Going लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, impeccable लिखिए बस. Although anomaly appeared in the sky 30 days ago, no one is certain when it will appear again. कुछ abnormality हुई थी आसमान में 30 दिन पहले, बट पता नहीं ये फिर से कब होगी. These are the sentences with all the words that we have learned. Now, guys, today we have got very less time, so I'll give maybe maximum 2 people chance. Today's topic is gender equality is today's power. Gender equality is today's power. Gender equality हमें पता है gender equality का मतलब क्या है. We all are same, being a boy or a girl, we all are same. That is called gender equality is today's power. आज का power है genders equality. Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to prepare yourself and speak.
So today's topic is genders equality is today's power. So yes, it is 100% correct that genders equality is today's power, but it is a fiasco too because we are not able to maintain equality. Genders inequality is a social stigma, and we should galvanize people to bring gender equality because girls are impeccable in every manner. Personally, I like female gender as I am a female. This is anomaly of the society that they are not giving them the equal opportunities in education, in sports, in everything as well. We have to create cacophony for gender equality in the society so that there we can create gender equality in the society.
Wow, wonderful, very good Poonam, awesome, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. You have
Thank you.
used all the words so impeccably. No, what should I say? It was wonderful presentation.
But
Very
sir,
good.
I was in hurry. Otherwise, I could do better.
That is everyone. आपने जितना लिखा है, it is impeccable. Wonderful. बहुत अच्छा
Thank
था.
you, sir.
Very nice.